What's up, guys? Today a little review on this pellet gun cleaning kit. So, got it off Amazon. This is like $8.99 or $9.99. A lot of bad reviews on it, and I'm gonna tell you, don't be afraid to buy it. For one, Amazon left it in front of my freaking garage, and I backed over it. And then I didn't see it when I was pulling in, and I drove over it. So it goes to show, and I mean, I did roll these, and they're, fine, but they're solid brass, and the threads are very good. They're not undercut near here, like the shoulder part. I have a kit for cleaning my 22 rimfire that I had since I was a teen, and it broke, and then I put it in the lathe and turned it down and rechased the threads. But these are heavy. This is bronze brush, and I know a lot of you guys don't like to clean your air guns. That's up to you. This video isn't for you, so you might as well stop watching it. But I will say, for those that want to clean their gun, it's a very good idea. And this bronze brush, in no way, shape, or form is it going to harm your barrel. Even though it's not a forged barrel or anything, metal is stronger, harder than bronze. They don't give you a loop tool, so I don't understand why they don't give you, or they give you patches without the loop tool. They do give you this fuzzy, it's some kind of cloth, and you can run it in and out. Now, I will say, I only, run this bronze brush up and down 2, 3, 4 times, and I use Ballistol. It's very good. Even in my regular firearms, that's what I use. And for those that don't know, you want to use a 100% silicone, and it has to be non-petroleum. And I'll give you another tip: you can use treadmill lubricant, so look for that. You get it cheaper than your pellet gun crap. And all I do is put the Ballistol on here. I make sure not to hit the O-ring. I'll go in 2, 3, 4 times, back and forth, and then I'll put the stuff on here, the Ballistol on here, and I'll run it 2, 3, 4 times. Done. That's it. Then I'll take the 100% silicone and then I'll put it in the barrel, and I'll just run that back through it, and then where the breech is, I'll put some down there to lubricate the piston. Now with these rods here, so you'll notice one is shorter. That's for the handle over here. This is the 177 bronze brush, the swab, and then this is for your 22 cal, and then your swab. And we'll go ahead and we'll put this together, and we'll show you how long it is. Alright, so that's the length of it. Plenty long enough. They give you 5 pieces. It's very universal, so handgun or whatever. And you can see, I'll roll it here. It ain't bent or anything from me running over it. You're going to get a little wobble because it's not a true piece. You have it screwed together, so that's to be expected. So if you're looking for a cleaning kit, that's the cleaning kit I would recommend. And if you're looking how to clean it, like I said, Ballistol, 100% silicone, non-petroleum, and a little goes a long way. What I did pick up was some 15 milliliter bottles with the little half-inch needle tip on it, and then you could get in there and just kind of put the oil where you need. You're not over lubricating anything. I see a lot of people dieseling their stuff, and you're just asking to ruin your gun, in my opinion. But you just do what you want. Anyway, that's my review.